Hey guys, this is for all you guys that EDC a Zippo lighter. I seen this on YouTube and I thought it was an amazing hack. Okay, normal Zippo lighter. Okay, fantastic hack. Now I filled this up on Monday the 14th of this month. Okay, as you can see, I've not refilled it and it's still got a strong flame, and this is why. Some of you may know this, but I just thought this was an amazing hack. Part of a inner tube, and you put it over the Zippo lighter. And what that does is it seals it and stops any fumes escaping. And that's basically it. That is an amazing hack. And that's from the 14th. So what's that? That's 10 days. 10 days and still got a very, very strong flame. Oh, that is it. Normal Zippo lighter. Great hack. Thanks for watching.